In this video, you'll see the evolution of iPhone. 2007 iPhone, 2008 iPhone 3G, 2009 iPhone 3GS, 2010 iPhone 4, 2011 iPhone 4S, 2012 iPhone 5, 2013 iPhone 5S, and iPhone 5C, 2014 iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus, 2015 iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus, 2016 iPhone SE, iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus, 2017 iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone X, 2018 iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR, 2019 iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max, 2020 iPhone SE second generation, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, 2021 iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max, 2022 iPhone SE third generation, iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max, 2023 iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Thank you for watching.